My dearest Kurt, 2 years ago today, a boy tapped me on the shoulder on a staircase at Dalton Academy. I didn't know it then, but that very same boy would end up changing my life for the better. I have to admit, when I saw you for the first time, I was speechless. There you were, this beautiful boy, standing in front of me like some kind of angel. I was hooked. But then you told me what you were going through, and I decided that you probably needed a friend more than a boyfriend. So I pushed those kinds of thoughts about you out of my head. I was an idiot. I wasted so much time we could have spent together, but I have you now. And I want you to remember that my heart is, now and forever, yours. Tonight, I will stand in front of you in the middle of Battery Park, and I will make you a promise. A promise to be forever faithful to you. A promise to always be there for you. But most of all, a promise to spend the rest of my life with you because there will never be anyone else for me. I love you. I love you. I love you. Blaine Devin Anderson.